Hey guys, welcome to ED Technology. My name is Navjot Singh Jadeja, and in the last video we saw how to install Python. Guys, the toughest task when it comes to students, when it comes to Python, is how to install the Python and how to begin programming. So in this tutorial, I'll give you some simplest way of how to begin writing your program. In this simple tutorial, I'll be discussing how to write Hello World, a simplest of the Python program, but this will be your first Python program and will help you a lot to begin the journey into Python programming. So I'll share the first step. You can go to command prompt. So if you have installed Python, just by writing Python in the command prompt, you will get the prompt for writing the Python programming. So here you can write a simple print using the double quotation. I'm writing hello ED Technology, right? And as soon as I complete this, guys, the best part about Python, it's simple syntax. It is very easy. It is very easy to implement, read. So it's print. You do not add up much more things. Again, like any other program, the simplicity in the Python is you don't have to worry about adding so many files into the program. That all is taken care by the compilers. Yes, there are a lot of editors available for Python which are known as IDEs. So in the further tutorials, I'll also share this. But this is something very basic. Anybody with installed Python in their desktop or laptop can begin Python programming just into getting into the command prompt and writing it. And when I press enter, it prints whatever I've written in here. So this is one method of writing the program. Similarly, because I've installed Python, when you write Python, you do get Python prompt by itself also, which is Python command line interface, CLI. So here also you can write whatever command we have written there, as in hello at tech family, and enter, and it will print up. If you want to learn about what version of Python is this, what different support it provides, you can write in help and you can get all the functions related to help in here. So it will tell you what you want in terms of, let's say you want to know the keywords in Python, you can see it. You want to check out the data types, symbols, etc. So you can use this. In the further part, I'll also tell you, if you don't want to install anything, then we also have one more tool which you can use in order to write basic Python programs. Right guys, as I said, next up we are going to see an online tool, a browser based tool for writing the Python program. So you open the google.com, you write Google Colab, and you will get collab.research.google.com. So this is an online version of Jupyter Notebooks. Jupyter Notebooks are where you can write Python programs. So Google provides this wonderful facility for you to write Python programs and create different versions of it. So once you click on it, you can actually have your codes from the Google Drive. If you have a GitHub account, which we'll be covering in the further sessions. So if you have a GitHub account, you can call the programs from there. If you have locally coded programs, you can upload. If you recently worked on any of the programs, or you have also examples in here. If you don't want to do that, if you want to start with a basic thing, then this is what you will get. This is Google Collaboratory, where you can write the programs and you can create a new notebook from here, or you can directly write code in here and you will get a new code section right below, as you can see it in here, where we can write the same program which we have seen, and we can write hello EdTech Technology family, and when I press the run, it will execute the program and print up in here. Also, if you want to write a simple program, so we'll extend our coding a little bit beyond hello world. So if I want to write a simple program where I have two numbers, let's say 2 and number 2, today is 9, so let's use 9, and then I want to sum it up and add up the total as in number 1 plus number 2, and then let's print whatever the answer we are getting. So it's the sum variable. As you can see, this is very simple way of writing the programs. If you have done programming earlier, even in C, C++ or any other language, you do not have this simplicity, this ease of writing. The things which you have to worry is only the logic of the code, and you do not have to worry on the other things. And as you can see it here, you can get the total in also. So this is the simplest way of writing the program in Python. You can try the command line, you can go with the Python CLI, or you can go online in Google Colab and do it.